to use in the reader. And then they can read. Start the reading with 2 words. Then add up 1 more. After that, a little big sentence with sight words. In this sentence, a and on are the sight words. And then you can increase the length of the sentences. When you are using the same words in the long sentence, kid can read it thoroughly. Then you can add a new word in a long sentence, like here the reader used the word bat. Here are all the previous words, no new word, and the kid can read the whole new big sentence. You can introduce these words which are going to use in the reader at the beginning. By using little words, your kid can get more confidence on reading. Another tip for introducing reading is use the same family words in one sentence. Like here, the at family words are used: rat, bat, cat, hat, mat. These words are repeatedly used in this book, and after that they introduce more like hat, fat at the end.